Okay, I showed you the beginning stage of the painting, and now I'm going to show you the colors. So that's Pineapple Crush by ColorArt. It's a primary element pigment. And that is Sassafras by ColorArt. And this is a really beautiful quinacridone magenta by TriArt Liquids. And that's a TLP pigment called, oh my goodness, actually I think that's Rebulite by ColorArt. And then that is Charvin Sky Blue Light. That's Ballet Slipper by TLP, another powdered pigment turned to paint. And that's a beautiful Payne's Gray Prussian Blue mix, both Amsterdam Expert Series. And white, that's Modern Masters Iridescent White mixed with some Golden Fluid Titanium White. So those are my puddle paints. Those go over top these beautiful base coat mixes. Oh, you know what? That's what that was. One of those Purely Pigments, Royal Violet. And it has a few other tube paints in there. I can't tell you exactly what it is, but that Purely Pigment's really incredible to work with. That's another quinacridone magenta, kind of a blue Prussian or a Payne's Gray Prussian blue mix. So, and then quinacridone Nicolazo Gold by Golden, and then that's TriArt India Yellow. And then I have a couple tubs of white base coat. So this is really interesting. I'm playing with a lot of the colors of the puddle paints and the base coats are the same. I'm kind of showing you the consistency there a little bit, how thin the paint is. And I do have fuller descriptions of this technique. Those are the two 24 by 48 inch canvases. So at the very beginning, I showed you I just put that ColorArt Pineapple Crush down, kind of in the center of the canvas on both of them. And now I'm just pouring some white base coat on top, and I'm going to kind of just run that white base coat over the top of the ColorArt pigment. And the reason for that is that the ColorArt primary elements, when they're used in this really thin application like this, they bleed into the surrounding paint. So what I'm looking for is this really beautiful, subtle melting blending of the yellow into the white, which was achieved, and you'll see that later on. And now I'm going to go in with the base coat colors. That's the India Yellow and the quinacridone Nicolazo Gold, which was discontinued, but TriArt makes a paint called Golden Yellow that is very, very similar to the quinacridone Nicolazo Gold. So if that's a color that you're missing, that you're loving, I know I love it, and I was very sad when they discontinued it, but there are some other options out there to get the same pigment. Yeah, I really love this painting. I'm just going to kind of let you watch and enjoy the process. I put the base coat colors down, and then you'll see the puddles of the puddle paint go over and spread on top of the base coat colors, which is kind of the traditional way that I do a pearl painting. The composition on this one was definitely a different concept, and I want to play with this composition again because I really did love it. And I hope you love it too. And thank you so much for being here. There's some exciting things coming up. I'm going to be a studio assistant for Callan Schaub in Deer Lake. So that's really exciting. That's coming up this Labor Day weekend, end of August 2024. And yeah, more info on some retreats and different teaching events that will be next spring as well. My Patreon account is a wonderful way to support me. I really appreciate if you check it out. There's all sorts of really cool perks if you want to learn more about my fluid art techniques. It's a wonderful way to engage. And I just thank you for being here and wish you a wonderful end of your summer. And I know I've been having a blast and not painting as much, but that's okay. When the fall comes, I'm sure I'll be back in my studio much more. All right, much love and take great care. Do stick around until the end. Let me know what you think. All right.